How to test the humidity on the surface of the concrete using a humidity meter. In this video, we're going to show how to do surface testing on the surface of the concrete. As you can see here, we have a meter. It's designed to test the humidity on various surfaces as well as concrete. It comes in contact with the floor, it reads the floor, and it gives you a reading back of how much humidity is on the surface. The standard floor should have a humidity of 3.5. In this case, the meter is reading 5.3, which is way above the normal level of the floor. That means that either there's a lot of humidity in the floor, or the room is very cold, or something else is going on. As you can see, he will actually take the meter and do the testing through the entire floor. We will walk a section of every 6 to 9 feet distance, depending on the size of the floor, and take a reading and mark where the reading is at this point in time so we know where the humidity process is. You can see that we also do a reading next to our other tests that we have done on the floor to determine exactly what's going on humidity-wise with this concrete floor in this basement. You see I move along, and the floor is going to vary from place to place. It can go all the way up to 7, which is the maximum the meter will read, which means is that floor is in really bad shape. And then you'll just go around to the entire floor in that section. For more information on surface testing, visit www.sealgreen.com or call 800-997-3873.